Meaning of dongle.
dongle,
Dongle.
dongle,
Dongle. A dongle is a small device that connects to a computer or other electronic device to enable additional functionality, often through a USB port. Dongles may be used for various purposes, such as providing wireless internet access, enabling software or hardware features, or serving as a security key to unlock proprietary software or content. Some dongles require drivers or software to be installed on the host device, while others may work plug and play. Dongles are commonly used in industries such as telecommunications, software licensing, and digital content distribution to control access and protect intellectual property.